Hello, advanced math grad students. Ms. Hoffman and I have missed seeing you over the last few weeks, and we hope you're ready to get started back to school. I wanted to go over with you today how each day will work with our distance learning. So you're going to access your Schoology page and our Schoology course, Advanced Grad Math, for hours 1, 2, and 3. They're all located in the same spot, so you click on that. And then we've created a distance learning folder. So in the middle of your screen, you're going to click on the distance learning folder, and then there'll be a folder here for every single day that we have class. You see the test run that we did on Thursday, and this is today, Monday's lesson. So you will open that up. And when you click on the check-in, you will see that we have a little quiz for you to do. I'm going to go back a page. I went backwards to the distance learning folder again because I wanted to show you under each day we are going to have a to-do list. The first thing on most days' to-do lists is going to be watch Mr. Benson's video, and then you are going to do an assignment or a check-in or an assignment in IXL. We're going to use your assignment to check your attendance and also your understanding. As you notice at the top of this distance learning, there's the Unit 5 notes. We've kept that outside of the Day 1, Day 2, Day 3 folder so that you can refer to those notes, and those are the teacher-guided notes. So Ms. Hoffman's in my copy, the filled-in copy, that you can use to complete your homework and your quizzes. And I will be talking through different sections of these notes as we assign homework over the next few days. Last week we sent you an email also describing the process of how we're going to run class, and in that email we included a table of when we are going to meet as separate classes, and this is if you can meet or if you have questions. You are not required to be online through Google Meets with us during these times, but if you would like to collaborate with your teachers or other students in your class on Monday, first hour from 10:30 to 11, on Monday from 11 to 11:30 is second hour, and 11:30 to 12 is third hour. Now, Ms. Hoffman and I on Tuesdays and Thursdays are going to be meeting with our Team Talk classes that are in the mainstream, but we will be back with you guys on Wednesday if you have any questions in the afternoon. So there's a morning spot on Mondays and an afternoon spot on Wednesdays. In between times, if you have questions, feel free to email us. That'll be the primary source of communication. And if we need to, we can set up a Google Meet, Google Chat to kind of talk through things. But I'll try to include common questions that people might have in my daily videos. Lastly, I wanted to say that we miss you, and we hope everybody is doing well, and look forward to chatting with you later on in the week. Have a good day. Take care.